What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how this Kobalt Dethatcher from Rona performs. The regular price of this dethatcher is $199 from Rona.ca, and I got it for sale for 119 Canadian dollars only, and I think it was a good deal. It's about 30 pounds, 10 amps motor, 14 inches wide or 14 inches working with, 18 stainless steel tines. Rona said it has 5-year warranty on parts and labor. If you guys will gonna ask why I choose electric, it is because it's not that loud as gas detached and power is always available in my case. I don't mind the long wires. I have my two little buddies helping me pulling it. This is my first detacher, so I was really hesitant spending more on this kind of machine in which you will only use once or twice a year. So just better for me buying a cheaper one. Performance wise, it's okay. I can't complain for this price tag and it's doing its job as you may see. I hope you can see it clearly. Later on this video, you will see how much we got on this size of lawn. It's about 20 by 30 feet. Thanks be to God, I have my two little buddies helping me raking the dead grass and they enjoying it. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment all nice things that you may want to say. And this way you're helping me out. And I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.